Hello everyone, welcome to the Excel lesson number 75. So this is our part 5 of the charts learning series. So today we are going to talk about again the elements of charts, under that data label options. So that is what we are going to talk about today. And also after the today's lesson we are ending the elements of charts learning series, and after that let's start a new series about charts. So let's go ahead and learn about data label options. Right, so hope you remember this column chart, right? We are using this example to talk about the chart elements, right? So our topic is data label options. So select the chart and come to this chart elements icon, the plus icon. Click on it, and there you can find the data labels. Then there is an arrowhead. Click on it. So then you can see more options, right? So select the more options, and you will find out the formatting options related to data labels. So you can see data labels already been selected, and here we go. So these are the options that we are having under the more options. The first one is about fill and borders. So here it's automatic set to actually the none. There is no any color. If I go to a solid fill, and then you can see my data label having a background color. You can change it using this color option. We can change the color based on our requirement, right? And then if you want to have a picture on it or texture fill, you can do that, but those are normally not suitable for this type of data labels, right? Okay, so right, let's keep solid fill. So like that, you can have these options, and also you can control the transparency, right? So like that. So when you increase the transparency, the color will be automatically reducing, right? You can see that is happening in the labels, right? Let's set to 0, meaning we have the background color. And next is about border. If you would like to have a border for the label, data label, you can have it. So it's automatically, by default, it has been selected to automatic. Let's have a solid line, and then let's give red line, because when you have red color, it is highlighting. So easy to see, easy to visualize that, right? So that is about fill and borders. And also you can control the width and compound types, dash types, cap types, join types related to these lines, borders. But it's up to you. You can have a taste of it by going and doing some experiments, right? So from the fill option, fill and line option, I'm moving to effects, right? Under the effects, we can have presets. If you would like to have like the outer kind of shadowing, right? So like this you can have, and also you can control the colors. You can see color has been changed. So based on your desire, based on your wish, you can colorful. You can make colorful your chart. That is about shadow. And then glow, same thing. So I'm not going to touch on those, as we did some of the things in our earlier lessons, the same concept going on. And then it's about the size and the alignment, right? So here you can see the text direction, something that I would like to introduce you. If you want to have the direction differently, then the option is alignment, the text direction. It is horizontal, but you can have rotate to 270 degree. So like this. So it's easy to understand, and it is not overlapping with other lines. So like that, you can control over that. It's up to you, right? And then the other thing is about label options. So here we see only the values, right? But if you would like to see the category name along with the value, then you can select, right? And also if you would like to have the series name, you can have it. So like that, you can use these label options, the last one under the data label options. Very handy options. Those are in your day-to-day work, you can use them. And also there is a very interesting one that I would like to show you, this one, value from cell. So that means, my dear friends, you can use some cell values to include to the data label. So let's see. So here we have the sales values, right? And let's say I would like to take the months based on some cell values. So then select the value from cells, and you can see the data label range box, and there you can see select data label range. So select, put your cursor on that box and come to the month column, select January to December and click OK. Now you can see January, February, March. So when you change these values, the label value also will be changed, right? So that is the lesson that I would like to talk about today. So as I mentioned, we are not going to talk about any more about chart options and elements. So in the next lesson, we will start with a new lesson about charts. Thank you very much for watching this. Hope this is helpful to you. Please feel free to share my page and share this knowledge with others. Share as much as possible these videos, lessons with your colleagues. And thank you again. Looking forward to meet you with the lesson 76. Until that, be safe. God bless you all.